You guys, we are doing the third peak of our 6-peak challenge. We are at Mount Tamalpais, and right now we are headed to Stinson Beach. We are going down and then coming all the way back up. Okay, let's do this. 15 miles with my peaksters. Whoop, whoop.
Mount Tamalpais became a state park in 1963. Like much of California's coastline, Mount Tam is the result of an uplift, buckling, and folding of the North American plate near the San Andreas fault line.
How pretty it is all the way up there.
Lush?
Super lush. Normally walk.
Yeah, like you're in action.
I feel like it's a soul train line.
Yes.
Mount Tam has multiple microclimates ranging from cool and foggy near the ocean and hot and dry near the Manzanita slopes. It has been known to get snow during California's more drastic winters.
Look at that river crossing.
I know. Watch out, guys.
Adventure.
River crossing. Boop, boop, boop. We just had a moment back there where the coastal fog came in. Oh, it felt so good because it's already starting to get a little warm. We're getting closer to Stinson.
The trail we're on right now started at the Pantoll campground parking lot and will go down to Stinson Beach and then back up to the peak of Mount Tam.
Wow. And rattlesnake grass. Rattlesnake grass. Oop. Oh my God, there's so many roly-polies. Look at them all. Hi, Laura. Promise not to step on you. We used to call Laura, my sister, a roly-poly when she was a kid because she was super chunky as a baby. And we called her roly-poly. So every time we see roly-poly. Love you, Matt Davis, and your trail. Oh, this is like the best hiking weather. I was just gonna sing that. I was gonna be like, oh. Good thing we can overlay music. Okay. To hear my voice. There's something so energizing about the wind.
The indigenous people of this area are the Coast Miwok. The name Mount Tamalpais actually comes from the Miwok name meaning Bay Mountain or Coast Mountain. The Coast Miwok hunted small animals and deer. They collected acorns and gathered flora, marsh plants, and shellfish. They made baskets and clamshell disc beads, which were used for trading. Sadly, Their way of life changed drastically after the arrival of Europeans in the 1770s.
Oh, those stairs are something else. Whew. Oh, that's the perfect place to do that stretch. See, mid-hike stretch. That's awesome. Ooh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at these.
The bathrooms are by the beach, so we can get pastries and eat.
Right on. You're speaking my language, sister. I know. .2 miles until we hit Stinson Beach. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We've made it to Stinson, you guys. We are a quarter of the way through the hike, and we've made it to coffee and pastries at Stinson Beach. Woo. Take a little break and then get back on trail. Hey! Having hardcore Camino vibes right now. Having to dodge cars, you know. Provisions. Oh my God, it's so cute. Go ahead. Brilliant.
Now look at the camera. And then divide into it.
Brilliant. Awesome way to stretch.
We just got done with our croissants, and now we're gonna head up this mountain. Doesn't look very big, but it's big.
Headed back up there. This flower is 100% called the corn tortilla flower because that's what it smells like. I don't know what the real name is, but it smells like a corn tortilla.
Here we go back into the woods to hike amongst the coastal redwoods. These types of trees have very specific needs. They need high overall moisture, low elevations below the fog line, and deep soil. Muir Woods, which is adjacent to Mount Tam, is the most extensive, best-known redwood forest in the area. The trees here live 1,200 to 2,200 years or more. The coastal redwoods are by far my favorite tree.
This trail is amazing. I mean, look. We are walking through ferns. Oh my gosh, look. It's a single ladybug. It's just Fern City. More stairs. Whew.
You got it!
Oh my gosh, that's fun.
Yay!
No, it's not. It feels pretty stable too.
Yeah, it's super stable.
Yes, girl.
You got one more?
This part of the trail is past the Pantoll campground parking area with many sweeping vista views and will make its way up to the peak.
Adventures!
I think so. Right way up there. Right way down here.
You know, I may hydrate a little more
Let's
with
hydrate.
with that special water droplets. Can you grab-
No video ever does it justice. The angle.
Never, right?
I'm not gonna be able to walk for a week.
I know. I'm so aware of my calves and my.
Miles an hour, whatever they say.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm feeling like my salsa look now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so funny. I'm gonna put it on the map.
Oh, I don't know if I.
Itself, like little tower. That's so cute.
I'll send this. Oh, look at how we little. This will be like the end of the video, like. Okay, that was not steady. You crop that out, okay? Oh look, and then put the bridge. Oh yeah. ignore the sounds I'm making in that video. Okay.
Something beautiful.